I had to leave a 5-bedroom house, my car behind, my dogs behind, my mother behind.
This white man just said he left his 5-bedroom house to come over here. I didn't know it was that damn bad over there in South Africa. Damn. These are some extraordinary refugees. I mean, the sacrifice to leave your 5-bedroom house and car to come over here to America. That, you know what I mean? That's sacrifice, man. To be honest, a lot of us couldn't do it, family.
This Afrikaner refugee had a 5-bedroom house and a mining company in South Africa. You know, the way refugees have. He had to leave behind his car, his dogs, and even his mother.
The Afrikaans refugees in America are already complaining that they're tired of speaking English all the time.
Isn't it so sad to see a white man leave his 5-bedroom house, his pets, and his mother in South Africa, to be put on a plane for free and brought into the United States and granted citizenship immediately? Wow, isn't that a tragedy, ladies and gentlemen? Meanwhile, people in America, they are paying taxes for people like him to come and have a good life in America. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Natsuko. As if you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section about the richness that we're finding out that these people left back home.
They're already tired of speaking English all the time. So, and actually Donald Trump is really irritated by the fact that he has given them refuge, and now they are complaining that they don't actually like to speak English. They want to be speaking Afrikaans. Are they having trouble with integration? Is this what the problem is? They're in a country of white majority and they're not happy. They are not happy about integration. Oh, goodness me.
To the 50 Afrikaners who fled to the US, calling themselves refugees. You are not refugees. You are just a case study of white flight dressed up as martyrdom. You're not escaping this. You're escaping equality. South Africa didn't chase you away. You ran.
And the silliest part of all, you might be amused to know that this man, who walked away from a quality of life, a standard of life, higher than the vast majority of South Africans could ever dream of having, a 5-bedroom house. His surname is Kleinhouse.
Or South African refugee Jason Bartlett. It's good to see you, Mr. Bartlett. This is the 3rd time you've been on the show.
Refugee Jason Bartlett. Okay, so that is one of the South Africans that got there in 2018 and said that he asked for asylum. But let me tell you how he got there. Him and his girlfriend actually got on cruise ships where they were auctioning art. And that was in about 2016. They then just got off in America and decided to stay there. Okay. I also want to highlight that that man lies more than he breathes. So in about 2018, he said he was going to walk to the White House. Okay. And he was raising funds. And he did. I think he raised close to, was it $30,000? But a lot of South Africans actually gave him money for this walk to the White House where he was going to tell Donald Trump about the white genocide in South Africa. And then he just disappeared, went dead quiet, with their money, by the way. And there were questions saying, what happened? You know, where's he gone? And yeah, since then, he only popped up again as soon as Trump got into office. And honestly, the stuff he says, please fact check. Specifically, if it comes from a refugee from South Africa. Fact check the information. Oh, and it's important to highlight, you know, amidst this white genocide that he proclaims that there is in South Africa, even though he doesn't live in South Africa and knows nothing about what's going on here. His parents live here. His brother lives and works here. He hasn't even bothered saving them from white genocide. Anyway.
If you're white, you're wrong in South Africa. You're a land thief. You are a racist. The whole time it's being told, and there is racist white people, plenty of them.
You say you're not a racist white person?
No, not at all. I've got many black friends. I think I've got more African black men as friends as white friends. I'm tired of being told just because I'm white, I'm a thief. Just because I'm white, I'm wrong in this. I had nothing to do with apartheid. Nothing, nothing, nothing.
Is there anything specific that's happened, Charles, that made you think, I've got to get out of here? I've got to leave?
After the death rates and stuff and my machinery being cut up, and I'm still, after reporting everything to the police, not getting any protection or anything like that. The only thing that's left on my farm is a sign that says mining area. All the fences has been taken off, boom gates has been broken off.
There are voices out there, including the South African president, who has called you cowards.
Yeah.
You've got other Afrikaners who are saying that you're not refugees, you're opportunists, that you've abandoned the country. What would you say to those people?
I had to leave a 5-bedroom house, which I will lose now because I'm not going to pay for it, behind, my car behind, my dogs behind, my mother behind. It is not, I didn't come here for fun, but my children are safe.
What was it like when you got off the shuttle bus and came into that hangar and were greeted by the Trump administration?
It was overwhelming. I didn't expect that because I thought we're going to be in a shuttle bus, taken somewhere, and we must start working. All of us that is there, we know we're going to start here from the bottom because we are the new people here. We're going to start from the bottom.
Do you ever worry that you might be caught up in some big political game here? That you're a pawn somehow?
Yeah, it's a scary thing, but people mustn't think we're just taking advantage of this. We're coming here to make a contribution to the country.
Old tweets of yours have been dug up in which you appear to have made anti-Semitic comments, and so people are questioning, should you be here?
I am so sorry, but this is giving typical Afrikaner. Now, for American people that want to get a hint of what it takes to live with Afrikaners, most especially those ones that are not like, or is around the cities, like the Boer Afrikaners, like those ones that even have farms. Because the ones that they brought, by the way, don't be fooled. They're not poor. They are rich. In South Africa, they're rich. Finding a poor white person in South Africa is hard. If you find them, just know they're throwing tantrums. As I tell you, I've been in South Africa. I lived there. I've seen poor white people on the streets of Krugersdorp. And you literally just know they're throwing tantrums. Because let me tell you, their government will walk up and save them anytime and give them a better life. But anyway, these people are literally going to want to colonize America. This is what I mean. See, white Afrikaners, they have that deep root. Oh, well, let me not even say it the bad way. They love their language. They love their culture. And if there's going to be something hard for them to do, is trying to speak English 24/7 to y'all Americans. Yeah, it's going to be hard. If you wake up and hear an American come out on the internet and then they say, this Afrikaner Boer told me, why can't you learn Afrikaans? They ain't lying. Because I tell you, these people will want you to learn their language so they can easily communicate to you. Hey, you guys, let me tell you. Hey, yeah. It's crazy.